Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should start by confirming the essentials: Python, SQL, basic statistics, and one ML library. Once done, create or update GitHub, LinkedIn, and Kaggle profiles so recruiters can verify work. Make a first reproducible project that solves a clear problem, includes a README, and publishes code. Then trim your resume to one page and quantify outcomes. Hiring managers scan for tools and impact. Make sure links are working and visible at the top of your resume. Now focus on the complex middle work. Build 2 to 3 varied projects demonstrating exploration, modeling, and deployment or visualization. Explain why you chose methods and include metrics such as RMSE or accuracy to show impact. Once done, write concise case studies that walk viewers through problem, approach, and results. Simultaneously, network intentionally. Contact alumni, join meetups, and ask for informational interviews. These connections often convert to referrals, so engage regularly and follow up. Finish by applying consistently. Aim for 10 tailored applications a week and customize your resume and a one-line cover pitch for each role. Prepare both coding questions and ML scenario answers and rehearse case explanations out loud so you can articulate trade-offs. During interviews, communicate your process and ask clarifying questions. If you hit a wall, troubleshoot, audit your resume, request feedback from peers, and add a stronger project to your portfolio. This often breaks the silence and improves callbacks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.